Rainy season.
Rainy season comes after the summer season. It is also called monsoon season. It makes the entire environment cool, green, and beautiful. The rivers, lakes, ponds, etc. get full of water. In rainy season, sometimes we can see rainbow. All plants, trees look very green and beautiful with beautiful flowers. We use umbrella and raincoat in the rainy season. In rainy season, we go to picnic near the waterfall. Rainy season is very important to the farmer for crops cultivation. So, rainy season is my favorite season.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share.